Welcome to the channel. Alright, puprime, how do you find a good broker? How is it possible? We're going to dive into this, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how do you find the best broker around? Well, you have to do some research. You have to look into their credentials, and you also have to figure out what the best broker is for you. Now, doing a little bit of research will go a long way. Today I'm going to be doing a look at puprime, learning more about it, and also educating you why I think this is one of the best brokers out there. Obviously, take things with a grain of salt. Do your own research and due diligence, as I always say, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to help guide you to find the best information possible so you can make the best decisions for your finances, whether it be online or wherever you're utilizing them. So, puprime, we can find it right here. Now, how do I know it's legit? I'm always looking at different brokers and stuff. I'm into crypto. I also do like a little trading and other things, but I'm trying to figure out, okay, how is this, good? Is it legit? How do you figure out like a good broker? And a lot of people have questions. So what I do first is I take a look and see, well, where do they exist? If it's just one site on the internet, I might be a little skeptical. But as we can see here in the About section, they have 25 offices globally, 1,500 employees, 60 plus industry awards, and 21 supported languages, and they have an average rating. And it's not inflated either. Also, we can see here the Prime Awards. Boom! These are not small awards. Innovative Trading App of the Year. Boom, in 2025, Best Trade Execution Award. And you can see this is all over. 2023, Advanced Broker Global. 2022, Best Global Online Broker. Let's go. And you can also check out the FAQs, but they have their company here. Next thing I do is I take a look and see, is it registered? And I can see it's registered. I can see here it's registered, where it's registered, and that's the biggest thing. So I can see it's regulated by the Financial Services Authority, the FSA, which is pretty big because even if something has a nice website, you see different stuff here, you want to make sure that it's registered. They have a license number as well and a regulatory framework. So you can see all these things here. Also, you can check their social media. Is their social media active? One telltale sign of a project, whether it's a broker, whether it's something in crypto, whether you're just trying to figure out, is this thing real? Bro, is this real? You can see their social media is active. They've posted 15 hours ago. One thing I get worried about is someone says this is the biggest project and they don't have any social media posts. It's like you're not doing anything. So always check out their social media. But how do we know they're actually registered? I'm going to show you how. So here you can actually Google, and I do this, puprime SCI registration. We can see an actual breakdown right here. Australian company, the number 626-461-701, the ABN, the entity type, private company, and we saw that on their website. You want to make sure what you search for out in the interwebs is what's matching. So let's go ahead and see if we can find it and search for it on the website. So as I demonstrated, I found the number 626-461-701. I came here to ASIC. I typed in this number, 626-461-701. We can actually see it. Connect online ASCI.gov. So that's there. We can click on puprime. Australian, like you want everything to match. You want to match on website. You want to match Google search if you can. And then also company summary. I can see here it's registered, information for purchase, roles and relationships, all that important stuff. Now that we've verified it's legit, you want to ask, well, how many clients do they have? Well, over 300,000. So they have no shortage of clients, actually. They're crushing it. And then you can see they have regulatory license. Do they have support? Well, they have 24/7 support. And pretty much for me, other than that, I just check for, do they have copy trading and can I trade in what I want, which they do have crypto. So that's pretty much my breakdown. It doesn't have to be overcomplicated. You don't have to go crazy, as you can see. Just a few minutes, I've done a lot of research. Just go ahead, look at the site, make sure that they're registered or ask support. Hey, I want to see the registration for it. Make sure they're registered. Make sure they have active clients. Make sure that they have customer support. And on top of that, make sure they have features you want and things that you can trade. That's really it. It doesn't have to be more complicated than that. Also, you can take a look down here. Trusted. Last thing you can check is the reviews. You can see they have good reviews. Now, if it's all 5 stars, I'd be skeptical of that too. But they actually have, some criticism, some good things. So then you have to ask, okay, am I willing to take the risk and only invest what you're willing to lose? That's how you find a good broker. That's how I'd start trading. That's how I get into it. And that's the research I've done. You don't, like I said, it doesn't have to be books and pages and libraries of research. You just need to get the basics down and then feel comfortable with it. Let me know if this helped you down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.